In this video, I will show you how you make your Instagram account from public to private. For this, you have to click on Instagram application. After clicking on this, you have to click on three icon. On clicking on this, there are a lot of the setting. You have to scroll down and find the account privacy. After clicking on this, and this is my account is public. Now in order to make this private account, no, you have to click on this icon. After clicking on this, there is a message of confirmation switch to private account. There are a lot of the restriction on your account, that is no one will see you, that is who is your follower and who is your following your photo, your videos, and a lot of the other things. Now you have to switch to private account. After clicking on this, now you have to go back to your profile. After going back to your profile, you can see a lock icon on your profile, which means that your profile is no private. No one will see you, that is who is your follower and who is your following. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like.